Imagine a sunny day. You smell delicious BBQ in the air. That's the magic of BBQ chicken. It's a taste of summer, a taste of good times with friends and family. Making your own BBQ chicken is easy. You can do it. You don't need to be a chef. This guide will show you how. We will make a simple BBQ sauce that will be full of flavor. You'll learn how to prepare the chicken so it's juicy and delicious. We'll explore some famous BBQ sauces from different parts of America. Each one has a unique taste. There's Texas BBQ sauce, sweet and smoky. There's Carolina Gold, tangy and mustardy. And there's Kansas City BBQ sauce, thick and rich. So let's get started. Let's make some BBQ chicken magic. It's going to be fun. It's going to be delicious. Let's get cooking. Before we start cooking, we need to gather our ingredients. This is like a treasure hunt in the supermarket. It's fun to find all the things we need. For the chicken, we need a whole chicken, or you can also use chicken pieces. Chicken thighs and drumsticks are great for BBQ as they have lots of flavor. For the BBQ sauce, we need some simple ingredients. Ketchup is the base of our sauce, giving it a lovely sweetness. We also need brown sugar for more sweetness, and smoked paprika, which is like magic dust. We also need some spices. Garlic powder and onion powder add a savory taste. Black pepper gives a little kick, and apple cider vinegar adds a tangy twist. You can find all these ingredients in any supermarket. Now let's prepare the chicken. This is an important step. We want our chicken to be juicy and flavorful. First, we need to wash the chicken using cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. Next, we can add some flavor. We can use a simple rub. Salt and pepper are perfect. You can also add some paprika or garlic powder. Rub the spices all over the chicken, making sure to get under the skin too. This will add flavor to every bite. Now, our chicken is ready for the BBQ sauce. Let's move on to the next step. Making your own BBQ sauce is easy, and it's also much tastier than store-bought sauce. It's like making magic in your kitchen. In a saucepan, combine the ketchup, brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and apple cider vinegar. Stir it all together. Heat it over medium heat. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The sauce will thicken as it simmers and will also become more flavorful. You can taste it and adjust the seasonings. If you like it sweeter, add more brown sugar. If you like it spicier, add more black pepper. This sauce is the base for all our BBQ adventures. Now comes the exciting part, cooking the chicken. We can grill it, bake it, or even smoke it. Each method gives the chicken a unique flavor. For grilling, heat your grill to medium heat. Place the chicken on the grill. Cook for about 20 to 25 minutes per side. Baste it with BBQ sauce every 10 minutes. This will keep the chicken moist and flavorful. For baking, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken in a baking dish. Pour some BBQ sauce over it. Bake for about 45 to 60 minutes. Baste it with sauce every 15 minutes. You can also add some vegetables to the baking dish. Onions and peppers go well with BBQ chicken. Texas is famous for its BBQ. It's all about the smoky flavor. Texans love to use mesquite wood for smoking. It gives the meat a unique taste. Texas BBQ sauce is usually tomato-based. It's tangy and a little bit sweet. It often includes ingredients like cumin, chili powder, and Worcestershire sauce. These spices add depth and warmth to the sauce. To make a Texas-style BBQ sauce, add a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chili powder, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce to our base BBQ sauce recipe. Simmer it for a few minutes to let the flavors blend. This sauce is perfect for beef brisket or ribs. It's also great on chicken. Carolina Gold BBQ sauce is different from Texas BBQ sauce. It's tangy and mustardy. It's a taste of the Carolinas. It's a taste of sunshine and good times. Carolina Gold gets its name from its color. It's a beautiful golden yellow. This is because of the mustard. It's the key ingredient. It gives the sauce its unique flavor. To make Carolina Gold BBQ sauce, add 1/4 cup of yellow mustard to our base BBQ sauce recipe. You can also add a tablespoon of honey for sweetness, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. This sauce is perfect for pulled pork sandwiches. It's also great on chicken. Kansas City BBQ sauce is thick and rich. It's known for its sweetness and smoky flavor. It's a taste of the Midwest. It's a taste of comfort food. Kansas City BBQ sauce is usually tomato-based. It often includes molasses or brown sugar for sweetness. It also includes spices like smoked paprika, chili powder, and cumin. These spices add layers of flavor. To make a Kansas City-style BBQ sauce, add 1/4 cup of molasses to our base BBQ sauce recipe. You can also add a teaspoon of chili powder and a teaspoon of cumin. This sauce is perfect for ribs, chicken, and even pulled pork. BBQ chicken is best served with friends and family. It's a dish that brings people together. It's a dish that creates memories. You can serve BBQ chicken with all sorts of sides. Coleslaw is a classic. It's cool and creamy. It's the perfect contrast to the smoky chicken. Corn on the cob is another great choice. It's sweet and juicy. It's like summer on a plate. Don't forget the drinks. Iced tea is a must-have for a BBQ. It's refreshing and thirst-quenching. You can also serve lemonade or even beer. The most important thing is to enjoy the food and the company. Making BBQ chicken is more than just cooking. It's about creating memories. It's about sharing good food with the people you love. I remember my first BBQ chicken. I was a kid, my dad was grilling in the backyard. The smell of smoke filled the air. I couldn't wait to taste it. When it was finally ready, it was the best thing I'd ever eaten. Now I love making BBQ chicken for my own family. It's a tradition. It's a way to show them I care. It's a way to create new memories. So go ahead and make some BBQ chicken. You won't regret it.